Welcome at 10th round edition of Code Dive. This year, we code the journey, which means that we're going to take you into space. And we will really do this with our 32 speeches and 36 speakers from all over the world. Are you ready for it? Let's check this out.
This year at Code Dive we presented a talk that describes one of the most interesting, in my opinion, projects that we have at Nokia. The project is about sending and deploying 4G LTE network on the moon.
So this year's edition is compressed to just be one day, which actually brought everybody together on the same day. And it's also free of charge, which made like the people actually able to come. So there's a lot of people speaking to a room that is almost full, like is always a great experience. I enjoy that because you can actually see more people interact with you, like you react to what you're saying and so on and so on. And it feels like your time spent on preparing the talk has been worth it.
Everybody deserves to learn and gain knowledge through going to this experience of going on a conference, but also meeting the people, because this is one of the most powerful things that you can do.
The 10th edition of Code Dive is just over. We would like to thank you all over 1,600 participants that we expected on site. This year we took you into space, and we really did. I hope you liked it. Where are we going to take you the next year? We don't know yet, but be sure you're going to find it out.